Hello, this is Flights in Asia, and in this video, we'll be heading to China, where Chinese homegrown aviation manufacturer has received a big boost from one of the country's airline groups for an order of 100 aircraft. The airline group placing this major order is the HNA Aviation Group, the parent company of airlines such as Hainan Airlines, which recently disclosed a commitment for 100 aircraft to be built from the Chinese aircraft manufacturer Commercial Aircraft Corporation of China, or COMAC, on April 28. This order for 100 aircraft will include a combination of 40 ARJ-21 regional jets and 60 of China's version of the Boeing 737 or the A320, the twin-engine narrow-body COMAC C919. While the HNA Group will be taking on these aircraft, the aircraft will be primarily distributed to two of the group's carriers, which have been identified as Urumqi Air and Suparna Airlines. According to a report by Yikai Global, Urumqi Air will take on 30 C919s, while Suparna Airlines will take on the other 30. Meanwhile, parent company HNA Aviation Group will take on the 40 ARJ-21s. This is a major move by the HNA Aviation Group, which was formerly part of the HNA Group, which has since gone on into bankruptcy. Now, it seems to be setting its sight on building back for its future after the airline group was sold to the Liaoning Fangda Group Industrial in December 2021. The bankruptcy of the HNA Group previously casted a cloud on the airline group, which is a major player in the Chinese aviation industry, having ownership or stakes in major airlines such as Hainan Airlines, Hong Kong Airlines, along with the two carriers that will take on the C919s. This new order will be a further boost to COMAC and the C919 program, as part of efforts to boost the local aircraft manufacturing endeavors in the country. COMAC is leading this charge with its two of the products, the ARJ-21, which has since been in operations as a regional aircraft, and the narrow-body C919. While the ARJ-21 has been proven domestically in China, and more recently introduced to the skies over Indonesia, the C919 program has been facing delays due to the program's reliance on Western technologies. Geopolitics could affect the schedule for supplies, production, and deliveries of these aircraft, which, at present, COMAC has nearly 1,200 orders for the C919s. This follows the recent major order for 300 of the aircraft from Chinese aircraft leasers back in December. This aircraft order is part of the Chinese government's efforts to boost its aircraft manufacturing endeavors. Regarding these efforts, the HNA Aviation Group has said, quote, "The two parties will take advantage of this opportunity to deepen cooperation and further integrate the civil aviation transport industry with commercial aircraft manufacturing to build a strong nation in terms of civil aviation and manufacturing." It is no surprise that the HNA Aviation Group will be supporting the Chinese-made aircraft manufacturing endeavors such as for the ARJ-21 and the C919, especially with the efforts of the Chinese government to further boost these efforts. That's all for now. I definitely hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. This has been Flights in Asia, highlighting the news and updates from the aviation and travel scene in the Asia Pacific. For more of the latest updates, you can check out the website at www.flightsinasia.com. In the meantime, thank you for watching and have a great day.